is Garrett Fry, the cemetery sequence lead for 3D digital matte painting, and we are taking a look at shot 1930. So if we take a look, it starts off from the right and pans to the left. There is another shot that is of the same location, and that is 1929. Okay, so between these two shots, it's important to have continuity between these shots. So it's a slightly different angle, so you may be able to get away with photography that you're tweaking into place. Otherwise, it's probably a good idea to do some of the 3D geometry. In this has this really fantastic little garden, garden wall, or this like a little retaining wall for this particular grave plot right here. So, and we have a step right there. So let's go ahead here and put in like an additional one of these little plots here, and then put another little obelisk on the right and also on this side. So you have the potential of doing that here, or you can put other gravestones over here like that. You will want to, if you are doing any of these little plots, then you can have something that's a bit ornamented where it connects into the wall of the plot right there, or it can just kind of be floating like this one is right now. Or this one is over here. So it would be great to have this all filled up like we've been doing with all of these shots. Even some back here would be great. And then in this area, when you're putting things down to, if there's not dappled light there and you think it would be great to add a little bit of dappled light, then go ahead and do that on your elements that you're adding. And make sure that you are putting in the right color value, and you're matching and integrating it really well, nice into the plate. That way your elements will not detract from the focus of the shot, which the focus of the shot is going down this road. So you want to make sure your elements are kind of helping the composition and not taking away. Before starting out on the shot, it's really important to familiarize yourself with the extensive photo reference in the library. It is worthwhile to do quick matte painting concepts so you can start to understand what kind of photography works for what particular situation. Also, make sure you're utilizing the asset library, especially for those shots that require continuity between environments. These assets can be a huge help, and remember that every asset has high resolution photography, so if the asset is not high enough resolution when rendered, you can overlay it with photography.